Hello, this is a video tour of 1250 Sacramento Street. This building is located directly across from Grace Cathedral. You're walking distance to many wonderful cafes, restaurants, coffee houses, bakeries, and so much more. Okay, so let's enter this beautiful building here, 1250 Sacramento. You have your intercom system doorbell to the left. You enter into this lobby. This is a lovely lobby here. Mailboxes are to the left. And here's the front entrance here. So really nice, cozy area you can utilize. Okay, so let's go up. We're going to be touring unit number 5. This is a beautiful 1-bedroom, formal dining room, living room, beautiful kitchen and bathroom, plus a couple of steps up to a shared deck with amazing views. Okay, so here is unit number 5. Beautiful wood floors throughout. This is an absolutely gorgeous unit that is located towards the back of the building. Here we are, we have a full bathroom with tub and shower combination. Nice big shower head, glass enclosure, and there's the toilet. In this hallway here, you have a nice deep coat closet. To the right, you have your private stackable laundry machines plus additional storage on the left side. Here is the bedroom. Designer colors. You have a nice big closet in here. This goes all the way back. So lots of additional storage space here. Bay windows. This overlooks the back of the building and you're set back from the street. There is one garage spot available with this unit. Okay, here is a living room. Nice big living room. You have north-facing windows, so lots of morning sun. Beautiful stained glass window. Here's the view from the living room here. And this condo also has a very large formal dining room. It is somewhat open to the kitchen, which we will get to momentarily, but take a look at all the detail. It is beautiful. Okay, so here is the kitchen. You have a stainless refrigerator, nice KitchenAid, range. There is a dishwasher, stone counters, and a nice big pantry. These shelves are customizable, so you can move them up or down. And here is the beautiful kitchen. Okay, so through this back door, you walk up a couple of flights of stairs, and you have this amazing shared roof deck. And there is bike parking down below. It is semi-covered. You would have to lock your bike up. Here is the roof deck. It is not used by the occupants very often, but take a look at this. What a beautiful space. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.